I don't have to, and you stop me and I don't have to wear a seatbelt. I'm not breaking the law.
All right. Can I have your insurance, Mr. Gill?
I'm not breaking the law. And
sir, can I have your insurance?
Okay. This is actually my dad's car. I don't know where the insurance is. You can write.
Looking for it? I have a body mic and I got video evidence too.
I know. But I'm just getting video evidence that it's a legal stop because I'm not breaking the law. You did stop me.
Can you give me your insurance?
Yes, I'm looking for the insurance. I do not know where it is. This is not my car, but I did not break any law, and you stopped me though.
You came off of 63rd Street.
Here's the insurance.
Seatbelt on.
I don't have to wear a seatbelt.
Can I get your phone number, sir?
I have a right.
I'll be with you shortly, sir.
Okay.
All right. The statute numbers on there. You got OCSN. You can look it up on your computer.
OSCN found document requirements of Act, applicability of Act, routine stops prohibited. Commissioner of Public Safety, upon application from a person who, for medical reasons, is unable to wear a safety seat belt system supported by written attestation of such fact from a physician licensed pursuant to Section 495 of Title 59 of the Oklahoma statutes, may issue to the person an exemption from the provisions of this section. Dismissed, May 20, 2013. Dismissed by court. Count as disposed failed to properly wear seat belt, violation of 47 OS 12-417, A. Driver he has disability that he is exempt from wearing seat belt. Delaware v. Prowse was a United States Supreme Court case in which the court held that police may not stop motorists without any reasonable suspicion to suspect crime or illegal activity, to check their driver's license and auto registration. Amendment 4 to the United States Constitution is the part of the Bill of Rights that prohibits unreasonable searches and seizures and requires any warrant to be judicially sanctioned and supported by probable cause. Amendment 14 to the United States Constitution was adopted on July 9, 1868, as one of the Reconstruction Amendments. The amendment addresses citizenship rights and equal protection of the laws. Due Process Clause prohibits state and local government officials from depriving persons of life, liberty, or property without legislative authorization. The Equal Protection Clause requires each state to provide equal protection under the law to all people within its jurisdiction.